Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare AdGuard and Pihole. AdGuard is a comprehensive ad blocking solution that works on multiple platforms including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It blocks ads, trackers, and phishing sites and can filter content in browsers and apps. It also includes parental controls, privacy protection, and safe browsing features. AdGuard is user-friendly, easy to set up, and provides real-time protection without needing technical expertise. Now let's see what users are saying on Trustpilot about AdGuard. Most reviewers shared positive experiences with AdGuard. Customers appreciate the fast and helpful support, noting that their queries are addressed quickly and effectively. Many highlight the professional assistance provided for technical issues. Users also report that the product works reliably for blocking ads, trackers, and malicious websites, making their browsing experience smoother and safer. On the other hand, Pihole is a network-wide ad blocker that runs on a local server or Raspberry Pi. It blocks ads for all devices on your network by filtering DNS requests. Pihole is highly customizable, lightweight, and free, giving advanced users full control over what gets blocked. It requires more technical knowledge to install and configure, but provides an ad-free experience across every device connected to your network. Now let's take a closer look at AdGuard's pricing, its pros and cons. AdGuard offers a free basic version, while the paid plan costs $29.88 per year for 3 devices, or a one-time lifetime license of around $79.99. On the positive side, it provides system-wide ad and tracker blocking, malware protection, and parental controls. On the downside, full features require the paid plan. It can get expensive if you need coverage for many devices, and setup or licensing can sometimes be confusing. Now let's take a closer look at Pihole's pricing, its pros and cons. Pihole is free and open source, so the only cost involved is the hardware, like a Raspberry Pi, which ranges from $35 to $60. On the positive side, it offers network-wide ad blocking, is highly customizable, and doesn't require a subscription. On the downside, it needs some technical setup, ongoing maintenance, and a few ads may bypass DNS blocking. Now let's talk about the customer reviews of Pihole. Users report that Pihole works well for network-wide ad blocking, speeds up browsing, and has strong community support. They appreciate being able to see hidden trackers and protect all devices. However, some ads still appear, certain websites or apps may break due to over-blocking, and the setup can be tricky for non-technical users. Overall, AdGuard is better for users who want a ready-to-use, easy-to-manage ad blocker with extra privacy features, while Pihole is ideal for tech-savvy users who want network-wide control and don't mind the extra setup. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.